everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Beauties, today I'm going to be creating this faux chalkboard wood sign. If you enjoy creating easy DIYs, then I think that you'll enjoy this one. And let me just tell you that you will not need any wood or paint for this project. But before we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'll click that bell icon right there in the corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this project, I'll be using all Dollar Tree items. This first item is the jumbo stickers from Main Street Wall Creations. This sign reads, "First I drink the coffee, then I do the things." I won't be using all the words, I'll just be choosing the ones that I want for my sign. The next item is this black foam board. And lastly, this wood print contact paper. Dollar Tree carries this light wood print and also the darker print. Okay, because the foam board is too big from what I'm needing, I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece off. And the size that I'll be using is approximately 16 by 20. Next, I'll be using a box cutter to get a nice clean straight line. The next thing that I'm going to do is cut some strips from this contact paper. These are going to serve as borders for my frame. And the width of these strips are going to be approximately 2.5 inches. Next, I'll be applying the strips to my foam board that'll frame my faux chalkboard. Okay, so now that my faux chalkboard is ready, now I can start adding the jumbo stickers. Okay, so I removed the first word and I'm going to be placing it up here at the top. And then I'm just going to continue adding the rest of the words. Like I said in the beginning, I didn't use all of them, just the ones that I wanted to use. As you can see, this is a very easy, simple DIY. You can really get creative with this faux chalkboard. Because Dollar Tree carries so many different wall stickers, you can really get creative. The chalkboard signs are in right now, and I know that they can be pretty pricey. And if you're on a budget, I just wanted to show you a very easy, inexpensive way to create a faux chalkboard. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.